Welcome back, guys. Now, for loops are not the only way you can do a loop in Python. There are also while loops. While loops are like for loops in the term they repeat things, but you have to build everything yourself. You don't get the range and the brackets and the easy things like that. But these can be handy sometimes. So, firstly, we need to make a variable to increase. So count equals 0. There we go, nice and easy. We've got the variable. And now we say while count is less than 11, so we're going to count to 10. You just put a colon, okay? And now it will keep going round while count is under 11. And here we're going to say print count. I forgot the brackets, very silly of me. I'm going crazy in my old age. And then we press play. And suddenly you will see millions of zeros going on. So this is called an indefinite infinite loop. Now infinite loops are so called because they never ever stop. And this one here, it says to me here, it's produced approximately 48,000 zeros in that short video there. So that's quite a lot of zeros. And why is 0 not changing? Why is count not changing? Well, the answer is simple, because we've not changed it. We have not told it to increase. So now, if I type in count plus equals 1, then every time we go round, count will increase by 1. By the way, guys, in case you're not familiar with count plus equals 1 yet, count plus equals 1 is a quick way of saying count equals count plus 1. Or take count and increase it by 1. Take count and whatever it is now, increase it by 1. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, just try it out and you should be able to work it out pretty easily. Okay, so now if I run it again, boom, it now just goes as far as 10, and it says, oh, 10's less than 11, but 11 won't work. It's less than, not less than or equals to. So that has worked perfectly for us. Okay, now we can, of course, do the loop going the other way. So we can do the 10 green bottles again. So just put a comma in there, get back 10 green bottles. And now, how do you think I would get count to go from 10 all the way down? And the answer is set to 0. The answer is very simple. 1, I make it minus 1, and I say while count is greater than 10, greater than 0. So until it gets to 0, keep going. And then I start by making count 10. There we are. So I have now gone back and I have done all the things we need to make it sing 10 green bottles, I hope. So press play. There we are, 10 green bottles hanging on the wall, and it goes straight down to 1. So as you'll see, guys, it's a little bit more complicated than 4, but you will find in your code there are times when you don't want to specify how much, where you start from, where you finish, where you are, how you're going to increment or decrement every time. Okay, so they are while loops, and I hope you enjoy them.